I'm going to give you a real time of making a mortise and tenon joint, slip mortise and tenon, I guess you could say, with a festool domino. You can cut these by hand if you want to do it for fun, but they're a lot faster, a lot easier. I'm making this vanity with some rails, and to do these mortises by hand would take me a long time. There go the profits, right? Joining this lower front rail to this leg here. So leg has to be the rail has to be 6 inches up, plus the thickness of the leg is 1 inch. So I'm gonna mark 7 inches right there. Slide this leg over to 7 inches, and I want the rail flush with the inside of the leg. So that's how I'm gonna locate it. Clamp it down. The clamp. Okay, so then I can mark the location of the mortise, which is just 1 inch over from the edge. Doesn't even matter if it's exact, because I'm going to use this one line to cut, to locate both of the mortises. So just to make sure I'm up to speed here, I usually use a domino with the fence down. I've just moved it up so I can use it this way and this way. All right, here we go. Give it a quick blowout. Don't want any dust mucking things up. This little line on the back of the domino, I line it with the pencil line. There we go. Dust. Now, if I would have had more than a couple to do, I would have hooked my dust extractor to this. But there you go. You got 2 mortises. I just have to, these are quite short, so I'm gonna have to cut the tenons to length. And that's it. Simple as that.